Dawson Cruz. You know, Mark Cruz. Do not say bad words. I was told by Jerick Silva last night. We just talked each other about your attitude. Oh, because Mark Cruz, you started your using foul languages since 2017 and 2018 because of argument of JD Sagala. Why you say bad words, Mark Cruz? Mark Domingo Cruz, I just want to tell you something. I've been talked that with Kuya Bear. Kuya Bear told me before I bought cereals, your bad words anyway in Instagram and threads, it's not a teachings of Jesus. You're saying bad words many times, and you're saying about the word fuck you, or you say about asshole, or that's really insult. You insulted me that those words. Mark Cruz, you need to stop insulting everyone. You need to stop insulting Ryan Chris Lucero, Juan Carlo Pabale, because this is why Juan Carlo Pabale, I've been distrusted you because you're saying bad words. You're a bully. Oh, let me ask you something, Mark Cruz. Let's have a bullying psychiatrist test. Oh, let's have a bullying test, you and me, Mark Cruz. Who's a true bully? Ha? Mark Cruz, over in the first place, you're very an envy. You're very envy at at me. Oh, when I talk to the Miss Earth 2025 candidates in TikTok Live, I first met Putri Juprika. I first met Wari Nangkram. And I met that Miss Serbia or Miss Belarus in the first place. While I having interview with Wari in TikTok Live. And then this Mark Cruz anyway, what is wrong with you, Mark Cruz? Last 2020, when I was interviewed with Kuya Danmar, Dayaw, Cedric Mariano, Ronald Rebena, Carlos Kanakashi, Asher Santos, and even my friend Terra Francisco, my former friend, and including who's that I remember that I want to mention their names. Oh, Matthew C. Oh, and then you comment in a post from Hans Inclusion Philippines in my interview. You're the one who called me an F word Mark Cruz, don't say bad words. Roylan Marlang hates you because you're saying bad words. At least I have a lesson that from Kuya Bear and Roylan Marlang. Oh, do not say bad words, Mark Cruz. And I'm saying to you, when you say you stop saying bad words, it's not a teachings of Jesus. I'm telling you, Mark Cruz, if I was saying you're not going to say bad words, you need to stop saying bad words. That mean, Jerick Silva says to me, wag ka na kasi magmura. Oh, you're saying about bad words. And you're saying to me about I am what is that? What does Mark Cruz says? You call me an F word, you call me a fucker word, you calling me what's that? Asshole word. You call me motherfucker word, you call me fuck you. Oh, I never want to say that. Mark Cruz, have a shame to yourself. Even to Roylan Marlang, last 2020 in pandemic, even to Kuya Dan Mardayaw, Cedric Mariano, oh, even to my friend Tera Francisco, my former friend, even Asher Santos, Carlos Kanahashi, even who else? I was invited in interview, Ronald Ribena, and and uh, one of them were invited me in interview last 2020 in pandemic. Hey, you're the one who comment. You call me an F word, Mark Cruz. You don't really have to shame up yourself. Oh, when I was having an interview last pandemic, not even just that, in Instagram thread, you call me an word, F word. You call me an asshole. You're damaging Christian Mengito. You're involving me. You're involving him that I have, what is that? Arrest warrant from Christian Mengito. What are you, Mark Cruz? You think Christian Mengito is a police? You think that I have an arrest warrant? You know, Mark Cruz, everyone are sick of you. Everyone hates you. That's why Jerick Silva claims, napakawalang ya mo. Like I said, walang ya ka, Mark. You know, you're always like that. When you go to church, if you say bad words, is this a teachings of Lord Jesus saying about bad words? Mark Cruz? Me, I didn't go to church, every single day. I didn't go to church. Look at Kuya J, Joseph Arcila. Look at that Nanay Net. Oh, they always go to church. Do they say bad words? No. They never say bad words. Ate Isa never say bad words. Including Ate Hana and Kuya Mel. They never say bad words. It's only you say bad words, Mark Cruz. You threatened me to drown me in a drop-off. Just like what happened to Rene Bartebonia and Divine Adili. What a shame to yourself, Mark Domingo Cruz. There is karma against you because you know why there is karma. I'm saying to you, napakawalang ya mo, Mark. Bastos ka, Mark Domingo Cruz. That's the reason. Bastos. You know that. Even everyone hates you also, Mark Cruz. Even the one of the my friends there in ASP, they really hate you. Oh. They really hate you because your attitude like that. I told to Ryan Chris Lucero. Ryan Chris, if I were you, if Mark Cruz saying bad words, you can tell to the uncle of David Gill, Joel Ferrer. You can file the cases against Mark Cruz and gave him a exact address that where does he lives. He lives there in San Pedro, Laguna, in Cyreville Village. He is living there. Just be remember, I will make sure that Mark Cruz will stop saying bad words. Many times you say bad words. All over the place you say bad words. Oh. Do not say bad words, Mark Cruz. You know, as I'm a social media advocate, when I use social media etiquette, I've been learned that lesson from teacher May Tibur show. I've been lessoned that from J. Rick Silva. Oh, I am warning you, Mark Cruz. The ones you say bad words, you might get cause you a trouble, and you'll get you in what is that, cyberbullying. Oh, you don't even know about cyberbullying. Because you and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, you bullying anyone. Oh, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan pretend to be ISIS. She says about bomb joke. She's just like Paulo Cruzada when he was being scolded. Like I was told by Rick Silva, dahil nabasag na si Paulo Cruzada, I told him to J. Rick Silva, pinagalitan na si Paulo Cruzada sa parents niya, o pinagbawalan, o that will be happen to Mark Cruz. You know that. Even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, she was being summoned from LaSalle in Green Hills. Oh, when she's threatening about bomb threat or bomb joke. She was fired in LaSalle for pretending herself an ISIS. Oh, no, she was really fired. And that will be happen to Mark Cruz anyway. If he will be fired from ASP, if even fired from Hans Inclusion Philippines, he will be fired. Oh, that's your reason, Mark Cruz. Your attitude is like that. Puro ko kasi mura. Oh, when I was told by Jeric Silva, ayaw ni Christian ng mga pagmumura mo. Oh, that's not good to say bad word. You call me I'm Makarov? You started it, Mark Cruz. You started bullying Juan Carlo Pabale. And even Ryan Chris Lucero, you're a bully. And now Juan Carlo Pabale is siding with me now. Oh, as you can see, Ryan Chris Lucero is siding with me also. Oh, at least they joined to pro-Palestine. At least Juan Carlo Pabale and I were also allies. Because we switched side with allies. I know Juan Carlo Pabale is a car enthusiast. Oh, if I recruit Juan Carlo Pabale in Hezbollah, in the Filipino Hezbollah group, would you ever retaliate? Will you ever retaliate your former friend, Juan Carlo Pabale? If you are an Israeli Defense Forces, Mark Cruz, huh? You don't really know what you're talking about geopolitics. And then you post in TikTok that US have an airstrike in Iran. And you're praising Israel. What kind of person are you, Mark Cruz? And you're watching about Team America. And you're saying bad words. Just like I said, you say about that F word. Just like I was told by Jeric Silva, ganyan ka talaga nanonood ng Team America World Police dahil sa pagmumura mo. Oh, ganyan ka kasi talagang nilalaro mo, like I said, yung ano yun, what is that? GTA. Oh, ganyan ka kasi. You know, you're really violent, Mark Cruz. That's why Luis Cabales doesn't like your violence. You are a violent Mark Cruz. You know, I'm just gonna say to you, Just because when you lose in Mobile Legends, you always say bad words. You're just like Carlo Orencia. Oh, compare like. At least Carlo Orencia, he never say bad words. He was reprimanded by Jaredino. Oh, Jared told Carlo Orencia, do not say bad words. At least he understand and he apologize. That he will never say bad words. Unlike you say bad words. And even you talk about Sam Rascal in Itbulaga, and you're saying about she already that she's really like me. How come I said if you watch Itbulaga, Mark Cruz, Itbulaga, they don't want to say bad words. Itbulaga in the studio of Dabbercads of TVJ of in TV5 in TVJ in Itbulaga, they don't say bad words. They don't want to say bad words. They don't like bad words. Just like I'm saying, they don't like bad words. They want happiness. They want fun. Just like, for example, um, for example, Itbulaga of TVJ of the legit Dabbercads, there was there's Tito Soto, Vic Soto, Joey De Leon in original in 1979. Oh, in Itbulaga of Vic Soto, oh, they don't want to say bad words. Like the other Dabbercats like Wally Bayola and Jose Manalo and Paulo Ballesteros, they don't want to say bad words. Because I know that Itbulaga is just like it's just like CDIFI, but by old school. They don't want to say bad words in special school. Oh, just like in the Miss Earth organization, Carousel Production. When there's a candidate of Miss Earth 2026, it's upcoming event. They don't say bad words. Oh, Lorraine Shook never say bad words. Even Natalie Pushkin-Kova never say bad words. Oh, they never say bad words. Mark Cruz, you're the one who say bad words. You're the one who bully Nguyen Pongkan. You're the one who bully Juan Carlo Pabale. You're the one who bully Ryan Cristosero. You are a bully, Mark Cruz. Bastos ka.